Behold the Cremora Tart. It's made with Coffee Mate.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. First thing we're going to do is make the crust for this particular recipe. Now, the original recipe is actually South African, and they use something called tennis biscuits, which is a very plain kind of a vanilla, not very sweet, digestive biscuit. I used Nilla wafers. I crushed up about 2 cups worth, and I added 4 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm putting it in the bottom of a springform pan that I've lined with a little bit of parchment, tamping it down a bit just to make it flat. And the crumbs are a little bit too coarse. I probably should have made them a little bit finer. Just set that aside. You don't need to bake it. In a large mixing bowl, you're going to place 2 cups of non-dairy creamer powder, which we call, Coffee Mate as the name brand. Add half a cup of cold water, and then just begin to blend this until the powder kind of dissolves into the water. You'll see it kind of happen here. I switched from paddle attachment to whisk here and back to paddle attachment. I thought I was using whatever I thought would blend it the best. And then I add in a can of sweetened condensed milk. That's 300 milliliters, 10-ounce can. And then 1/2 cup of lemon juice. And the lemon juice combined with the sweetened condensed milk will help this make like a cheesecake type texture once it sets. So you blend it until it increases in volume, gets very white, and gets a lot thicker. And you can see the thickness that you end up with. It's kind of like a runny vanilla pudding or a custard. Spread it out, and you're going to refrigerate this for several hours, and it's going to firm up. You're going to end up with something that has the same texture as cheesecake. And it actually tastes a little bit like cheesecake. Not exactly like cheesecake, but because of the lemon juice in there, gives it a little bit of that kind of tanginess that you get from a cheesecake. If I had to describe the taste to a T, if you ever had the Jello Jello brand boxed cheesecake that you can make from a box, it tastes just like that. It's actually quite good. You'd never know there was Coffee Mate in it. And I think it would be awesome if you add something like caramel like I did here, or you could even add fruit or whatever you'd like to as a topping to this. It was surprisingly good. Give it a try. Now, if I could only eat one kind of dessert for the rest of my life, I would pick cheesecake. It is my absolute favorite. I have a playlist full of them. If you're looking for a cheesecake recipe to try, please check it out. Thanks for watching.